came to a little camping ground. It cost like 20 euros a night, but there is showers, a beach, clean water, drinking water, and all the nice things.
I haven't had water for like 2 days.
And she smells like it.
No. It's gonna be a really good porridge because Miro made it. We don't talk about the first days that Miro made me a porridge. Because we are going to Nice now.
Just got myself a new subscriber from the gas station. Yeah. Yay!
Professional parker. It's a very nice restaurant. If Miro would be happy to show you around.
Thank you for watching and good night and goodbye.
Ei mä tiedä.